We've got interesting or rather crazy news on the pricing on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and that's exactly where I want to start today's video. Since the XS Max, Apple has kept the starting price of that model around $1,100. Well, it seems that's all about to change, as reports suggest that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is going to be much more expensive. We haven't got any info on the whys, but your guess is as good as mine. Stay put. Maybe after hearing all the upgrades, you might think the price is actually worth its increase. Now let's get right into it. First off is battery. Battery life is getting a whole lot better on the iPhone 15 models. All 4 models are getting significantly better battery increase, as the base model is getting 18% more battery, with the Plus and Pro models getting 14% increase in battery, and the Pro Max getting roughly around 12% increase in the physical size of the battery. If you want to get into the numbers, feel free to pause the video and check them out on the screen. The A17 Bionic based on the 3nm process is going to be blazing fast and very efficient. Combined with the increase in physical battery size, iPhone 15 users wouldn't have to bother about battery life. There are reports suggesting an increase in the base storage of the iPhone 15 Pro Max from 128GB to 256GB. This is great, as the high-res footages that are shot on this device, 128GB is still in 2023. The body of the iPhone 15 series devices are said to be slightly curved with an ash titanium frame instead of the stainless steel bodies of its predecessor. The volume button on the sides are a little bit down, which is a welcome improvement as it's going to make it easier to reach. The mute switch is gone and it's now replaced by a button that is a little bit smaller since it wouldn't have to move back and forth. Whether this button is going to be customizable, that's a question for Apple to answer. The camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is reportedly getting a 5x zoom camera. Not much on its spec-wise, but I'm eager to see how it fares against their competitors when it's launched. So with Type-C, the A17 Bionic, bigger batteries, huge zoom improvements on the iPhone 15 Pro Max and other models alike, they are turning out to be great, huge upgrades. The competition isn't ready for this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back when I find something new.